Hey, Ma.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. You say, how about you?
I'm good as well. Okay. But first, I need to apologize because I have a cold, so it might be a bit difficult for me to talk.
No.
Yeah. So, because breathing is even difficult. So, okay, tell me more about you, your business. You talked about you are creating videos for your clients, right? So, please let me know more about it and then we can proceed on
Absolutely.
exactly
So,
what we can do.
I run a video production company where we create animated videos for tech clients, clients like you. Like
Mm-hmm.
Crawl IQ is kind of our potential lead. So, we make
Okay.
videos for SaaS companies, SaaS application tools, which comes with a lot of AI features. Tech companies majorly, and yeah. mm, we have already created a lot of videos, and majorly I wanted to use the AI product for making blogs, writing LinkedIn post, you see all this thing.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
So you are already a CrawlQ user, right? You already have your account.
yeah, but it's a
Okay.
3 point chat gpt 3.5 is enabled. I need to upgrade to get GPT-4 and rest of the features.
Okay, okay. And you said that you find it actually very limiting. Okay, so no worries.
It's
Let's
just
go
because
through that.
let me tell, I mean, the same thing I mentioned over the chat box. Mm,
Mm-hmm.
I understand the privacy reason or something which mentioned by
The Harish.
the founder,
Yeah.
Harish, right? However, it feels like today also if I can't get the Chat GPT-4, which is like I'm already having paying to OpenAI. I have Chat GPT uh, Pro access as well, and other website content writing website, they all enabled it, and it allow me, or probably indirectly it makes me feel that I'm getting most recent information.
Okay, I understand where you are coming from. In the beginning, that's what I feel too, and then in the end, oh, okay. Actually, it makes more sense to do it the way Harish is doing. So
One.
yes, I've been on your in your place, so I understand exactly where you are coming from. Okay, so you already know how to set up an account because you already set up an account. So can you please share your screen? Just log on
Yeah,
to your
absolutely. Absolutely.
yeah.
I'm happy to share. I'm just it take to there are so many tabs which I use. That's why
That's
maybe,
normal.
but whenever I
Like when you
share my screen,
were
it gets stuck. So
yeah,
just give me a moment.
no problem. Okay, it's okay. I'll wait for you.
Yeah, I'm just closing some tabs. Yeah, I'm just finish closing. Yeah, I guess I'm ready to share.
Okay.
I closed around 6 7 tabs.
Yeah, that's not much. When I work, I have like 10 tabs and I have three
I
monitors in front of
did.
me.
Yeah. Somehow, uh, I'm somehow I'm not happy with Mac. This, I mean, 6 tab I closed. Probably 20 or 25 tab must be open. So can you see my
Okay.
screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. So let's start working on
Or like you see, I use so many AI tools. If you see, all these are AI
yeah.
writers.
Mm-hmm.
All these AI writers. I was basically trying to. you use all of them and then get fixed with 2 or 3 apps. And
Okay. So which one are you fixed with right now?
okay, right now actually I end up liking more that open AI, playground, uh, which is like directly open
Oh,
AI thing, and which I liking uh,
the most. Okay.
most too.
No
Yeah.
worries. I
So
just
here
want
is
to know what you
uh,
want, what you are
correct.
liking here. Okay. So, and your plan is, may I know what is your plan? Are you on,
Yeah, two objectives as of now trying to make. Number one, writing video scripts.
oh, no, no, I mean your account plan.
Account plan. How to see that?
Yes. I think you have to go to profile. Yes, that icon and
Some advanced plan.
Sumo plus advanced plan. Okay. I don't know what that is, and I need to find out later what that is. Because typically the limits are about the number of workspaces.
Okay. No,
Advanced
basically,
plans.
yeah, of course, I don't need much. I just want to
Mm-hmm.
use it for writing blog content,
Mm-hmm.
and making, and same blog content has to be converted into video scripts or vice versa.
Okay, so that's your specific purpose for CrawlQ. How about, do you have a website? Because the thing is, CrawlQ can do that, but actually CrawlQ can do so much more. And I
Yeah,
tried to look at, oh, okay, what story, that agency. All
was you getting
right.
an email or something?
Oh, because you sent me a message and I see the website is what a story.in, and I went to that website and it
Yeah,
wasn't
basically the
working.
thing is, yeah, the thing is, somehow your calendar was not taking .agency domain. It was saying wrong agency domain. So I used
Oh,
our old domain just for which we already redirected to here. If you visit waterstory.in also, it'll bring you to .agency, but somehow it's not bringing today.
yeah,
Loading
it's
and
not
loading.
redirecting. Just to let you know, because I went to this one because I want to know more about what you are doing. So I'm ready for you. So I
Yeah.
wasn't really able to prepare. I did not have that. Okay, so let me go to my screen then. What the story that agency? Okay, so the thing is, I also work with a lot of different clients. So I'm also like an agency, but more on marketing services. And
Mhm.
what I do is, okay, let me just go through your, okay, no problem. I got through it already. So how I handle it with CrawlQ is that I create a workspace per client, because each client would have a different the positioning, they have a different set of cost and customers and all that stuff. So um, how I do it for my clients is that, if I can share my screen with you, do I am I even logged on? Yeah. My entire left screen. Okay. So here, so you can see I have a lot of workspaces. So each client has a workspace, at least one workspace, in fact, because even for CrawlQ, I have a workspace for this particular audience, for this particular audience. So you can imagine how it's doing here. Now, the thing with CrawlQ is that it's not similar to the other AI writers that we have in the market, because do you understand that its core is actually market research and not AI writing?
Yeah, that's what I was actually, um, you know, that the terminology is sounding like market research, but the end example
Mm-hmm.
or end result, I'm curious to know what is the, what you are offering, uh, like how I can use it properly. I have no idea. Like market research, the same
Mm,
research I can get that if I putting any question related to like give me 10 strategies for video production agency, same content I can get from ChatGPT 4. What's the difference
okay.
over here?
Okay. So let's create here a campaign. So I think that you haven't touched CrawlQ for a long time, right?
I mean, I'm trying from last month, so it's fair
Oh,
to
from
say
last month. Have you
last.
tried to create a new campaign?
I already had that campaign, so I didn't create a new one. I get started on the same one which I have created long back. Yeah.
Okay, so maybe what I'll ask you to do is, okay, I'll stop sharing my screen. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
you are on credits, right? Okay, maybe I'll show you how to create a new campaign, because this is the thing now with CrawlQ. Like before, we have to answer like 50 plus questions to start it.
Yeah,
Do you
I
remember
started.
that?
Right. Yes.
Yeah, and I hated that. And I told Harish, you need to find a way to make this simpler or else. Because I actually started to talk to Harish like 2 years ago about this. And I wasn't working for CrawlQ that time yet. So here's how we create a new campaign now. So I'm just showing you an example. And let's say my campaign name is about your company. What a story. So I'll share you some insights that we can get from CrawlQ so that you know exactly how we can use it. So video production for SaaS, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Who SaaS founders and market who are your typical
Right. Market.
target SaaS
Correct.
founders?
Founders and
Right, just
market.
say SaaS. Okay, and marketing. Okay, product name is the same. What a story. And the founder is Vikas. What a story, that agency. And here, your
My targeted.
clients, where are they typically?
Yeah, New York. Yeah, you can say United States probably. Yeah.
Yes, but United States, we are already on United States,
Okay.
but
Yeah, New
which
York. It's
state?
fine. Correct. It's fine.
Okay, so now we create a campaign. And now it will show you that it does not actually ask you now to answer those 51 questions.
Yeah. Thank
Right.
God. That was a time. It was horrible because
Yeah.
as yeah, I mean, filling
And
52
I
answer like
think
50
a
answer
lot
is
of
like
the LTD users, this is what they know.
yeah.
Right, right. And the thing is, I think a lot of the LTD users, this is still what they know, that you have to answer 50 plus questions just to get to the top of the funnel research. And you still have to do the middle of the funnel and the bottom of the funnel. And yes, it's like, I need 8 hours at least to answer all those questions. I
True,
know
true.
what you mean. And it was really like, quite horrible. So it's it's just this, nothing else, I promise. But it takes about 5 minutes. Okay, and then you will see exactly um, what it would do for you is not just to write blogs, but it will also tell you, okay, these are the blogs that you have to write about.
Mm, that's
This
nice.
is where you can find your clients. These are the SE words that you need to, um, yeah, that you need to target and stuff like that. So it's actually quite interesting. So we just have to wait a bit.
Yeah, yeah. Sure. By the way, where are you
but
from?
um but what this does is it's also oh, I am from the Philippines. I'm based in Hong Kong.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you were saying something. What it does?
Yeah. Right. Okay, so my account also has this Reddit and Quora add-on, so it automatically would pull information from Reddit and Quora.
Hmm.
And if you notice that on the dashboard of CrawlQ, on the top right, you can see there like a lifesaver icon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if that's the one.
Yeah, I can see,
Oh
right?
no, that's the Explore Crawl queue. On the right side of that, you have a video. And actually, I created a series of videos for the users. It's no longer Harish there. I already deleted it. No, just kidding.
Yeah.
It's no longer Harish doing the onboarding. So I'm doing the onboarding because I told Harish that, hey, look, I think the problem is right now is you know the product too well, but the users don't understand the product. So let me try
Absolutely.
to do it the other way around. That I'm coming from the user perspective, because I understand the users. I understand what are they, um, what are the challenges they are facing when trying to use CrawlQ and apply it to their business. So that's
Yeah.
how it started.
Now I can see it. Yeah. That video, the onboarding video was there already.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So just follow that. I just tried to make it as short as possible. But it's everything there. Like I talked about SEO, I talked about the customer decision journey and all that stuff. So okay, so now we are here, and this your campaign. What a story! And on the dashboard, let me just show you a little bit here. So this is the Explore Crawl queue. When you click this, it will take you to another screen, and it tells you. And I think we have to update this too.
Yeah, interactive.
Let's
How to
wait.
use it interactively.
Right. So we have an interactive demo here.
Yeah.
Right. So it will show you like this. It's so slow right now. So this is the configuration icon. Da da da. So we already have that in place. And I tell you before, we don't have this. So we are really working a lot on the back end to improve the user experience.
Mm.
Okay. So now we have so the dashboard we have here. This is where you can explore CallQ, the configurations. The light bulb is gone. There was a light bulb here the other day.
Yeah,
Okay,
it is
get
visible in
started.
my account. Light bulb.
The light bulb?
Yeah.
I wonder why it's not there. I need to ask one of the guys.
Yeah. No worry. I think it what it contained like uh, guided insight.
Light bulb
Okay.
missing.
Yeah.
Mm. It doesn't matter. I just want to see that. Hey, is there a bug? Because if there is a bug, then I need to report to the team.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
Okay, so this is how we start now with CrawlQ. Like once you create a new campaign, you don't have to go through the hundreds of questions.
mm,
And the best part here is let's go back to the dashboard, which is very familiar to us. It already has the attract, desire, and convert done. It's only
mm,
when you need to make some changes for this particular workspace that you go inside and try to answer some of the questions, but it's no longer needed. Like, see this? This is what we used to see, right? So we don't have to do these at all now. So all these are you already have an answer for all these.
mm.
So we don't have to work on the persona or by finding your ideal persona. All right. So, what a story. So, we are still here, guided insights. Now, when I normally start with the customer decision journey, followed by ideal prospect persona summary. And I follow one, two, three, actually, one, two, and four. These are the first three that I start with.
Okay.
So, I just need to click this thing and it will run. Like who is my customer, so what is the market message based on different stages of the customer decision journey.
Makes
It
sense.
takes time, but I'm using GPT-4, so it would take longer. um, and actually on the series of videos I also show how to make a blog, how to
Okay.
the
Then
blog.
I'll probably I'll save your time and watch that series of videos. Uh, if it is of course short
Yeah,
time.
but I want you to see this because right, it's actually not that difficult to do that for you.
Mm.
No problem. I don't have any problem. It's just that we are waiting and waiting and waiting, and that's why the
Yeah,
demo
I
is
mean,
one
I just
hour
wanted to save
because
your
we
time.
need to the waiting time for AI to work.
Yeah.
If it's just me, it's half an hour. It's done. But we need to work
Yeah.
with Athena here.
So once we complete, let's say one two, and fourth step, like fourth, what do you call these cards? Then
Right. Okay. So for me, that's what
hmm,
I do. Okay. It's completely up to you what is your workflow, but this is what I do. So after I do that, then I start to do my keywords research. I just use some of the prompts here.
hmm.
I'm not sure if, okay, it's going to show up. So you have here the SEO, and takes time. Oh, okay, we got a response already. Okay, so this is what um okay, so what are the key drivers for them to be aware of your product? So educational content on the benefits of video production, success stories from other SaaS companies. Okay, so and the key barriers for your business or for them using your business is the lack of understanding of video production's ROI, overwhelming amount of information online. But these are really based on all um, the research that Athena has done in the background. Because before, what I'll do here is I'll actually go one by one to discussion forums, do a Google search or whatever, and look for all this information. And then now it's neatly, um, neatly summarized by Chat Athena by CrawlQ. Okay. Oh, I forgot. It should be the whole screen.
Oh, I see your desktop. Yeah. You use Triplo AI?
I'm sorry.
Triplo AI.
Yes, I use Triplo AI as well.
Is it good?
For Felipe is a good friend. Oh yes, it is actually really good. And Felipe is a good friend, and I support him.
Oh, wonderful.
So yeah,
Because right now, few
yeah.
minutes back only, I was thinking, because I have Voila also, I have Triplo also. I was like, what to use, which one to. Uh,
Oh, I also have Voila. Can you see it here? I also have it. It's not like CrawlQ is the only tool that I use, but CrawlQ is very specialized for most of the thing that I do. But if I want, for example, to summarize a page, I just use this. Or if I want to,
hmm.
yeah,
Yeah, I
actually,
mean,
that's mainly what I use it for. Yeah.
yeah, they both do similar things. So I was like confused which one to keep and which one to refund.
Oh, with Voila and Triplo.
Yeah, I mean, both having. I really love the UX or UI of Voila. It's so simple. It's like yummy, and
Okay. Oh, I cannot say anything about that, and you know that I will say, "Oh, keep Triplo because Felipe is my friend."
yes, you should. You should.
So I cannot say, "Don't ask me about it." Okay, and I have both. So yeah. Okay, so here, what are the in the desire stage? What would make them desire to have a video production? And then initial purchase consideration, you need to be able to communicate clearly the ROI and expected outcome from investing in a professional video production service. Okay, so this is the first one that we've done. Oh, it's back now. Okay, guided insights. There you go. So we do this, right? So we have a lot. In fact, I'm not using CrawlQ to the fullest. I can tell you that. There are still a lot of tools that I go to. Hi Harish, can CrawlQ do this? And he always say yes. The thing is, um, I'm just thinking of it, and he has already thought about it. I just don't know where to find it in the software. So okay, based on our what did we say here? This is the ideal prospect persona summary. So where can you find your customers? So your ideal prospects are working professionals interested in video production for SaaS, specifically targeting SaaS founders and marketing professionals. Yeah, we already said that. Okay, and this is the title of the person that you want to reach out to. And these are the top 5 areas of what they do on their job, what are the top five pain points. So finding high quality, effective video production tailored to the SaaS industry. Now, we could you could say that, hey, there are a lot of companies like yours, but what makes you different, and how can you address this pain point? Because many of them, um, probably they hired so many video production companies, and the result is, not satisfactory for them. So how can you make yourself stand up, stand out among the rest, and make them get it from you because you provide a better quality, whatever. So balancing cost versus quality in video marketing efforts, measuring the ROI, keeping up with the changing digital marketing trends. So basically, what you want to do whenever it's not just you, but you basically have to reach out to them and address all these pain points. So this is the foundation of what we do in CrawlQ. Like, hey, we try to understand your business, and based on that, we try to find for the pain points, what do my what do your customer needs, and then you can build a business. You can validate your idea. Is it working, or uh do I have a business or not, or is this idea of a business going to work or not? So you can see, okay, you have pain points to address, and needs these are the needs of your clients. They need a reliable partner, high quality videos, so all these things. And I'm sure that you haven't seen these um, in any other software. So what we do here is this is the core, and then after that we will have the, okay, let's one more, this one. These are my top three, 1, 2, and 4. And then after that, I go to start creating content. It could be a
That would be
video
interesting to see, right?
script. Hmm. Like, okay, so for example, this one, the content that you are going to make, because my campaign is for what a story.
Hmm.
So everything that is about what a story, and it's not about the customer of what a story. Okay, so this is about you and how you can grow your business using CrawlQ. And then later on is how you can use CrawlQ to create video productions for your clients,
Hmm.
because I know that your clients sometimes, not sometimes, most of the time,
I'm sorry.
go to you, and they don't have a script or anything like that. They rely on you to do the script, what kind of emotions and all that, and that's what CrawlQ can do as well. And I haven't seen any other AI that can do that, because it's aware of what is the terminology, the semantics that your target audience is using. That
Sorry. No.
how do you call this? Like, it's okay. Everybody has a cold. I have a cold too. Okay, so yeah, so okay, let's go back to the topic here. So this one is this the number for attractive high impact content topics. Okay, so here I have, these are the five current problems: difficulty in creating video content, challenges in effectively communicating complex SaaS solutions through videos. So this is what I mean. The point earlier that I have for you is that later on, okay, this is just about your company for now, but later on you can create multiple spaces for each of your client, and you could do exactly what I'm doing right now. And then you can create a video that can even do this, the challenge in effectively communicating complex SaaS through video. You can really do that. As for example, so these are the top 10 blog titles for your ideal prospect.
Hmm.
So you already have these, and the Reddit questions and the Quora questions. Okay, so earlier I mentioned to you that I want to use SEO. So we already have the prompts here. And I apologize, it's quite slow because I am talking to
It's
you,
fine. No, no.
and this
Don't.
is also
Even
having
I'm
some
thankful that
bandwidth.
you are giving your time to explaining the same thing which I can actually watch online, and you could have redirected
Okay.
your time over here. Yeah.
Okay. So SEO keyword research. Okay, so for example, I want to use this one based on their search intent, keywords based on search intent. Because when you write a blog, you want the list of keywords based on the search intent because you want them to find your blog. Hmm. And here you can also go to Reddit and start answering questions in these forums.
Mm.
And if there's someone who asks these kind of questions, you can respond, and then you can say, hey, I'm the owner of What a Story, that agency, and we do this, provide services. In my opinion, this is, yeah, show your expertise. So you will see where they are, what they are doing. And in fact, let me just go all the way up here. Okay. So, okay, let's do this for now. How to create engaging notepad. Even my notepad takes slow. Takes long.
Screen sharing while you share screen. Yeah,
Okay,
things.
so we have this how to create engaging videos for SaaS. So these are the keywords.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. When you share a screen, then things get.
Okay, so I show you this one. Really slow. Okay. So let's do this. Now let's try to write a blog. So one of the blog titles is this: maximizing your SaaS products appeal. Okay, so we just say right. Okay, another thing I do is I have a configuration here, and I use the SEO accelerator. I like to use Google market research, market insights, Quora, and Reddit. I want to get insights from these things, and then write a blog about this. And keywords are they have numbers. Okay. I don't think it's necessary to put these things. I mean the punctuations, but I just do it for to make sure that they get it right.
Mm. So instead of blog, can we say write a 1 minute or like 60 seconds of short video script?
Yes, you
So
could.
yeah, things let
Okay,
other things can be
let's
remain
do
same.
that.
The only thing is because blog is something which is anyway getting too
Right,
long. So I'm focusing more reverse
60
engineering. Yeah,
seconds video
yeah.
script about. Okay, let's say this. Oh wait, because I put this thing here, SEO accelerator earlier. I think it's already a blog, or it will complain to me. Okay, so let's do that again. So make sure that, okay, because it used the SEO accelerator and then we're not writing a blog. So it will complain or will not give us a result. Okay, while waiting for Athena, do you know that? Do you know this CrawlQ search?
CrawlQ search.
Okay, here is our, yeah.
Okay.
So here you can search for everything that you have done in CrawlQ for this workspace because you have a lot of conversation in here, right? Okay, so
Oh
here
God.
is the right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's try to do this thing with Voila because I have Voila here. Let's use that. This is more than 60 seconds, I'm sure. This is too long. Okay, so but here, let me see. This is too long. That's one. Yes, I think we cannot put it in here. So here, this is really 30-second, and then the word is more. The wording is more precise. How do you capture the narrative in a way that resonates? You see, the one from Voila, it gave you a very long script, but it's definitely not 60 seconds. And then the wording is not as precise as
Can you
CroQ.
give me
And
this?
this is how CroQ makes a difference.
Can you copy paste
Sure.
the same
Okay.
prompt? No, just that prompt, not this outcome, just the prompt in chat.
Okay.
So I'll also try to.
It's on the chat. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. I'm
Okay.
just.
Let me stop sharing my screen so I'm a bit faster this time.
Yeah, let's give some relax to your computer as well. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Although I'm to trying many apps, but I
Mm-hmm.
pasted it in a fresh, newly made playground, and
Okay.
this is also I like right seed. Finally, I use ChatGPT. If,
Yeah, video script. I only have video.
yeah, they don't have. Okay, it's running.
Mm-hmm.
Use today I share 5 to 2 of storytelling. Product extra events, as we personalize our narrative. Okay.
So what is this Team GPT and what is the other one? Is it the same?
So,
Oh, the
yeah,
other one is Playground, right?
other one is playground. This one is like similar, like bring your own key and create content.
The
That
Team GPT. Yeah. Okay,
G-
got it.
and this is, although they don't offer this video thing, but I think they
Mm-hmm.
have something interesting, which I actually use this one. and I liked it because of the content style. But I'm not finding where I have the art academy blog article creator. I think it must be the same. Okay, so starting by creating engaging videos, show real people solving real problem, let viewers see themselves in the simplicity is key, complex strategies, stay ahead with the latest trend marketing, interactive demo, animated explainer, sign. And I honestly didn't like this one. It's more general information it is giving.
Yes. Well, that the one that we I shared with you earlier from CrawlQ, it's really more of a
Yeah.
it talks directly to your clients, the SaaS founders and the VP of marketing. That's what it does. The other one is more general. So you can see that's where the difference sets in. And in fact, how much are you paying now for the Open AI playground?
So basically, it's more like use depend on use cases. So it's postpaid kind
Mm-hmm.
of service, not
Oh,
prepaid kind
postpaid.
of service. Prepaid kind of service where you add money and you keep using until unless you are not running out of. So playground is like open AI, open AI basically. So they give
Okay,
you this option to as a playground where you can make as many as your bots, your
mm-hmm.
writers, and based on these functions. See,
Right, right,
right,
right.
which model you want to use, and of course whether it's a chat gpt 4 3 whatever you can choose. You enter
Mm-hmm.
your uh, input and it gives you the result, and using the same key because I already got api keys, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where which I can use anywhere I want. I'm using in this team gpt. So monthly, honestly
Okay.
saying, my expenses in term of how much I'm recharging, probably 20 $30 every month I'm spending on this
Okay.
thing.
Okay.
Good thing is team gpt allow me to share this to the whole team. Like my whole team can use it, whatever information they want to create they can
Mm-hmm.
create it. And it's basically offered shared space. It's kind of chat gpt but for teams.
Okay, I get it now. Okay, no worries. So now let's go back to CrawlQ. So you could see that
I
okay,
mean,
the output.
honestly saying, I mean, I saw the script which Crawl IQ generated, Voila generated, and this one, the Team GPT. It's
Mm-hmm.
more like a tea and coffee. So they are not
Uh,
bad,
yeah.
right? Now it's more about personal choice. However,
I
I would
wouldn't say personal choice, but it's more of what would talk to your target
because that
audience.
exactly. I that's
Right.
what I would prefer because Crow IQ already understood my audience. So
Exactly.
the script
Now,
faith I may have more in Claw IQ because it
mhm,
has those prompts also. What my audience it is doing that script for a purpose where other platform are doing for a prompt. So
yes,
the thinking is
and
different.
that's the key difference. And now, okay, let me just show you my screen again. Let's go back to my screen. Entire screen of my other this monitor. Okay. All right. Yeah, you can see my screen again. Okay, so now we are here. And another thing we can do for you is like you can actually create a workspace for each of your client so that it's the script that is created is really tailored for that client, and they will see um, and you can market your services in a way that you say, hey, I create videos because and the videos actually talk
Customer,
to your
right? People.
client. Yeah, it doesn't matter
That's
what I think, but what matters is what they think.
yeah, no, that's very interesting fact, which can be added as a layer on top of it. By the way, how I can delete this space or workspace, that thread or
Okay, how you can delete a workspace. Let's go here, go back to the dashboard, and all campaigns. I probably need to start deleting workspaces too because I'm using a lot.
now honestly I got very much clarity.
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably
Okay.
use it.
Okay, I'll delete this one. Okay, so I'll delete this one. That's it. That's how you delete it. So you go back to the dashboard and then all campaigns and then delete the campaign here. Okay?
Perfect, I got it. And how many workspace I have, how to see?
All right.
Is is there any way you can see like?
Sorry, I really have no idea.
Okay,
Um,
no way.
Let me.
uh
You know what? The only thing I can check it is go to AppSumo.
no, I'll check. Yeah, I'll check the billing details and all. Okay, so that's all. I think I got the clarity. Probably I'll still request Harish about bring your own key functionality.
We
That,
really cannot do that because it will affect the entire infrastructure. Like we have clients that are very sensitive when it comes to privacy because we have banks
but
and the banks
how
are really.
that effect? Let's say if that functionality is there, bring your own key
Mhm.
functionality. If I'm not adding my, let's say, that key, if I'm care about that my API should not know what I'm doing, then I'll of course buy
Mhm.
your plan. But people like me who doesn't care about it, let's say, let AI know what I'm doing. Okay, so
Oh, okay.
bring my own key. You see, basically bring your own keys is not a mandatory thing, it's an optional thing which other people are doing. Whether you take simply even the your friend company, this triple o AI, they are simply giving it as an option, not as a mandatory thing to do. If you have, if you want, you can bring your key.
Right, right. I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
So probably Harish should consider
I
that,
get what you mean, but
that request, because even I don't remember
very
earlier, I think.
unlikely.
Yeah, because let me I remember, I'm not sure, but I paid around 350 or $300 or something. I feel still I'm using chat gpt 3.5, whatever it is. I still feel like, no, a little bit outdated. When I have the access of chat gpt 4, I'm paying for OpenAI key, so I feel like, okay, still I'm outdated. I'm using an outdated technology after paying whatever amount it is. Again, that's a subjective, I'm sure. 350 is nothing when
Mm-hmm.
it comes to the kind of technology you are building, like kind of service you are providing. However, it can be added as an option, definitely, that people who want to bring their key, they can bring. People who want security, they can buy this thing.
Right. The thing is, we need to have a balance between consumers and enterprise. It's not that we are not prioritizing consumers. In fact, you are important to us, and that's why we are having this one-on-one onboarding right now. The thing is, we also need to make sure that our enterprise clients are we also serve them, and it's actually working for us. Do you know why? The retail, I call us the retail consumers because we are not the big companies. It's
Correct.
because we are actually getting insights from their insights. It's also learning. Athena is learning. It's not open AI. It's Athena learning from what they are doing, and they actually apply it to what we do. And that's the real advantage of it. Now, when you subscribe to the CrawlQ add-on, I believe it's around $17 per month. You get access to unlimited, by the way. You don't have to worry about how many tokens, whatever. You have unlimited GPT for Gemini and Claude. It's not just GPT for that you will have access. And the beautiful part is when you have that, for example, did you see this? I'm sure you have that as well with your GPT for
Mm,
Custos. No. Well, pinpoints. Is this the right one? No. Okay. So, okay. This is the right one. Okay. So earlier I was doing a landing page tear down. So
okay.
tear down this landing page. What what is good? Actually, maybe what I can do is do your website. Why not? since we are
Yeah,
on the call.
we are changing anyway website also. I'm not really uh, happy about my website also. So let's say what Athena
Oh, did
has
you
to
see the
say.
new website of CrawlQ?
No, not really. Let me check.
Yeah. So, do you know? Check our website and let me know what you think about it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because previous website. See, Harish is a good tech person, so I wouldn't
Yes.
expect him to make. So my like I was told, yeah, new website. Let me see. Oh wow, the landing page,
I
dark theme,
know, right? It's oh wow.
huge change. Like of course.
Okay, if you could please just comment on our group because I actually shared this yesterday and say, hey, give us a comment on like how do you think of the new website, blah 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 blah. Because I still have to do a lot of things. Well, not really. This is it's already 80% there. It's more on the footer area because there was so much junk in the beginning. Like when
So
I
much.
started to work on this, I wouldn't say junk,
However,
too much information.
yeah, too much. And let me the driving growth with AI powered marketing inside. Yeah, look, even I believe from day one. See, I bought the LTD honestly because this guy sounds like too techy, and I was like, this will he will do something. From day one, I couldn't understand the LTD. Day one, I couldn't understand what he's trying to sell. It's just that he sounds so much Elon Musk that he's going to change it, and I was like, okay, let's stack it. One day we'll use it. There will be a time. Time will come when I'll use it. So it's still, see, website is
Oh,
good. It improved a lot compared to what it was before. However, I still feel
yeah.
there are it can be much better. Like it, for, I'm seeing so many website every day. By the way, we work with
Hmm.
SaaS companies, so we work with a lot of SaaS companies. So I see a lot of
Mm-hmm.
SaaS pages, a lot of landing pages, their copies and all. So even that's why I'm not happy with my own website also, and we are working. It's just that I'm slow to give feedback to my design team on what to change in my website. So but yeah, overall it is much better than before, but it has the opportunity to enhance further also.
Okay, good, good, good. Tell me what needs work on.
No,
Okay, so
design wise I would say it can be. So the landing page, like the immediate first impression is amazing, no doubt. The colors,
mm-hmm,
the overall, that glow is rotating, it giving me a feel of tech, the tech
mm-hmm,
company, visionary or maybe futuristic. However, as soon I go down, instead of using this current video, if you put your own video, your own Emma is talking about this product, explaining actually what it is, that would make more sense.
oh,
Because currently what I'm seeing a video which might look a slight fancy because of that mobile UI and all, but I'm again not understanding the kind of problem you are solving. Why I should choose you? Oh, see, once you've given me this demo, now I know why I should choose to work with CrawlQ rather than simply Playground. However, from website, it's not getting conveyed. From website, you are showing UI and process, but why I need to go through that process when I can get the same outcome from other thing?
okay. I get what you mean now. Okay, thanks for that. I will add that on the second page. Okay, so oh yeah, okay. So this is the landing page tear
Create
down
value
based
proposition, the
on.
headline only, the video proposition, you will ever need a strong call to that unique value proposition. Okay, so the claim of valued by over 600 people can build trust. I mean, we already, acha, okay, what is good? Okay, it
Yeah.
already mentioned.
Wait.
Yeah,
Okay,
I was like,
okay. Areas for
there is a
improvement.
temporary issue on the second section where the header and chat support are cutting into textbook. CTA clarity, while the CTA would invisible see portfolio where there's a critical of content density. The bottom section feel like a little convenient, maybe benefit with more spacing between element. Nice messaging consistency. The section header seems to mix message. One talk about utilizing of putting text on different idea about needing a story and different. This could be anything. Okay, perform and the phrase and what we do for living is less compiling than it might be. Yes. I agree. I didn't like this phrase. Testimonial. While social proof is present in term of number of 6 point, I think it might got wrong because we already put video testimonials
Okay,
text as well. Yeah,
maybe
but
I did not
overall,
get
yeah,
it.
it makes sense. Like technology is upgrading, so I can sense it. Things are some insights so are useful definitely, and the
Right.
fifth point is exactly what I told my client. Ki, let's not write this. This is not. Uh,
Okay. So yeah, this is what CrawlQ can do for
Perfect.
you, and actually so much more. This is just
No, I'll definitely
ooh.
use it. And I must thank you to you for explaining me,
Mhm,
because now I know what to do and where to use this.
mhm.
Uh, yeah, I'll give it
Okay,
a try today
good.
itself.
Yeah,
Not
give it a try, and then these actually one, two, three, four. You have access to all of these when you upgrade to the CrawlQ Pro. The- All the LLMs, and whatever LLMs are coming your way,
hmm.
right?
Yeah, I'll definitely look
Actually,
into.
do you have access to Gemini?
I mean, I haven't give it try to Gemini, but I'll
Right.
definitely
Oh,
might
you can even try it here. Like, okay,
out.
Gemini also has that feature. Yeah.
Okay, Gemini it has that. Um, okay, apart from Chat GPT, you have Gemini also. Okay, let me see. I'm just trying.
Yeah. That's why I like it. So I
Yeah,
okay, I
it's a
just
good
need
thing that
to
everything at one
refresh
place.
this first. Yeah. So I have everything in one place. I have DAL-E 3 too. So for example, I want to create an image based on a blog post. So I can also have that. So now it's Gemini first. I'll show you this one. So it has a lot of capabilities. So let's use the same prompt. And later I'll show you how you can actually make images with CrawlQ. So you have all of it, even for your social media. Okay, so now here, the call to action. Okay, this is what it said. So GPT-4 gave a more, how do you call that? A more detailed response.
Yeah.
Okay, the other thing that we can do here is okay. So for example, we have
So
this topic
basically, you enable
earlier.
Chat GPT and then you enable that Chat GPT button also. What exactly like these two different buttons are there on top or what?
I don't know. I haven't tried it yet, but I know that DALL-E 3 usually works with
Okay,
GPT-4.
it's a
So
Delhi. No, no, it's a Delhi. You are right. Basically, I can see
right.
it's asking me to pay $59 to use
Oh,
that, enable that feature. Yes.
okay. There is a discount this month. Crawl Q World Cancer Day 70, and you get 70% off. So it's about $17. Okay. The next thing we have here is okay. Write a Facebook post. A Facebook post about my blog. Just let's do it like this, and then I enable DAL-E 3.
So it'll generate image also. Interesting.
So it will generate both the how do you call that, the caption or the post content and the image at the same time. So yes, we have a lot of capabilities here in CrawlQ, but we I'm doing my best to communicate it to everyone.
No, no, it's a
First,
great thing you are doing. Like it actually
huh?
making sense now what you are doing, and
Mhm.
it'll help Crow IQ. I'm telling you. Now I have a
Oh,
reason. Basically, you basically convinced me to pay at least $17 per month.
Right. Oh, okay. Thank you about
Yeah.
that. Thank you. Thank you.
So
Thank you.
you're definitely doing good. And
Okay. No, that's the thing. The reason I worked with Harish is I really like this software. This is something that has helped me a lot. And nothing like this that I can find in the market. Hey, I have Voila, I have Tripler, I have what have you. But nothing is like this. So you have this one, the power of video storytelling for your SaaS. And here is your Facebook post. And here is your image.
mm,
You
makes
even
sense.
have the hashtags, okay? SaaS magic, video storytelling, tech trends, engagement, earth, grow. And okay, I promise this is the last two parts. Okay, so you know
No,
these
absolutely.
use
I'm with
prompts,
you.
right?
Please show me it. At least I'm learning
Okay,
something. Yeah.
okay, so we have these use prompts, right? So it's for all different types of use cases, and you can actually create your own prompt. So, for example, you have a prompt that you want that you use all the time for your video. Yeah, for your video. And let's say it is for YouTube. Okay. And you can see here that all the YouTube starts with YouTube. Okay. So I want to create prompt. You can create your own prompts that would
Mhm.
run each and every time. And I use this a lot because there are prompts that I use each and every time. Oh, did I change it? Looks like I did the wrong way. Maybe this is the right one. Advanced prompt builder. Sometimes I make mistakes. Oh no, okay. Looks like they changed something. Okay, this is the right one. Create a template. So I have my personal templates that we can write here. Just say YouTube Elma. And I will write here my this is my prompt. And this is my prompt. Show prompt. Uh, this one is actually not needed, but just put whatever you want to put here. Okay, then just say create template. And you will be able to find it on your prompts list later. And you have an option to share that prompt to everyone.
Got it. Like we can make our own prompt and save it. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can share it with everyone. So
Yeah.
right now, see, sometimes I need a refresh. Okay, so here I can see that this is my prompt. This one that I did earlier, and I can delete it from the same place later, which would be on the dashboard and templates, I believe. And the last thing I want to show you is the brand voice. Now, this is actually very, very powerful.
Mm-hmm.
We are just tweaking something in a way that, for example, I assign a brand voice for CrawlQ for this particular audience segment, and I want to use the same brand voice because it's still CrawlQ, but it's a different audience. I don't have the capability to assign a brand voice to different workspaces right now, but in the future we will be able to because I requested that. Hey, I need the same brand voice among across all these workspaces. Okay. Now, when we do the brand voice, you can say here, what is your creative goal? Do you want brand awareness? Do you want thought leadership? Do you want to generate demand? So these are some of the uh, okay, let's just say brand awareness. And my audience profile, it could be Gen Z, it could be others, or creative theme. You have
Mm.
so many choices here. Let's just say family. Tonality. Do you want to be admiring, angry? So
Yeah.
awestruck.
If I
Okay,
want to,
let's
if I don't want to personalize, then also it's fine, right? Like it is
yeah.
any result based on my.
Because sometimes you need these when, for example, you have set a brand voice or you have already set um, your brand, what a story that agency, and you want to have this kind of brand voice that this is how you are perceived, or this is how you appear to your audience, and you want to make sure that that is consistent at all times. So this is where you change it. You make changes here. These are just the basic stuff, so you
Got
don't have to answer all. And then just say, uh, what a story test. Okay, let's just do this, and then we can create the brand voice. And then you can test the brand voice. Hey, is it giving you the right output? Now, say you are already on your brand voice and say, oh, I made a mistake. I don't like brand awareness, but I want something else. So you can change your goal here, like authority, brand authority. Okay, so, and I don't want anything like this. Yeah, the creative team should revolve around um, users of or say family. And team. Okay, this is the only thing you want, nothing else. So you can do it this way and save, and you can choose on your. Okay, let's go here. Refresh. Yeah, we need to refresh each and every time. That's the only
every
thing.
setting when we change, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So it will appear here, and you have it here, and you can use it. And each time you write a prompt, the output will be based on this brand voice and your audience. So that's how it works.
Mm. No, that's
Okay,
good. These customizations are good. I'll
right.
definitely give it a try and
So you
see.
can have as many brand voices as you want. And in fact, the combination of brand voice here, when I calculated, it's 1.9 trillion combinations just from
Mm.
here. So you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
really
yeah,
have something that is just for you.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I see. My
All
brand
right. So thank you so
has
much for your time.
5 users, 20 workspaces, and 25K credits. I don't know what is credit. I think it's a word credit or something. Mm, mm.
Oh, I need to find out. I need to find out.
No way.
Okay.
Cool then.
And let
Yeah.
me. Okay. All cool. And
Thank.
if you could please do me a favor, because you did this one-on-one, and in fact, you are my first one-on-one onboarding.
Oh,
If you
is
could
it?
tell everyone, because yeah, because we just started it last this week. We
Hmm.
started it this week, and today is my the first time that I am available. So now that we've finished our onboarding, or about to finish, if you could please go to our page and just say how you
Absolutely.
found the onboarding, because I want to encourage the users to book an onboarding, because CrawlQ has so much potential. It really has a lot of things to do that it can
Hmm.
do for us and how it can benefit businesses. But we were stuck on the old way of how CrawlQ worked, used to
Yeah,
work. So
I got it. I
yeah.
got it. I'll do that definitely
Okay.
for you.
So I would appreciate it if you could please post something about the this part here. Just say, create a post. Say I had an onboarding with Elma, and it helped me. Whatever I helped you on. And
Absolutely. You
then,
help me to
if you could.
start using this app at least.
Okay, great. And then this is the website that I was talking about. Like, have you seen our new website yet? I'll put a comment. I'll tag you on this one, and because I would be happy if you can comment. Like you had this comment that on the second uh,
Second area,
section.
even overall feel, I think it can be, if you are selling to enterprise, it can be currently somehow it's not like it's 50 per, of course, improved much better. Previous website like was MPP. This was looks like okay, please join it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks so much, Vikas. And let me know how I can further help you. And you can always reach me through Facebook, or you can email me. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.